Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnatic, and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So welcome back to another video guys, and today is going to be an interesting video. So today I'm going to share my first ever empties video. So this product, like these empty bottles, I've been collecting from July. So not July actually, yeah, kind of July. So in this lockdown period I used mostly skincare, so I have a numerous product, like amount of skincare bottles. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys like which of the product I liked, or I'm going to like repurchase, or I'm not going to repurchase. So it's all in empty videos. So let's get started with the video, and if you like the video, you know what to do. Give a big thumbs up, share with our friends, and subscribe to my channel. So let's jump on. So guys, here is a bunch of products, like quite a lot of products, especially most are like hair care and skincare. So first I'm going to start with this big bottle of Pantene. So this is mine and my sister's shampoo, though in between I was not using this shampoo, I was trying out some other shampoo, but I really like this shampoo, and this is totally empty, and I have already a backup of this. And my sister really loves this shampoo. She always recommends this, like she's very loyal and genuine to this product. So this is the shampoo from Pantene, and we keep on repurchasing this because my sister doesn't use any shampoo other than this, but I keep on switching. So for me also, I really love this shampoo, especially the advanced hair fall solution. So give a try guys, this is like really nice. Also this is very like inexpensive, like very affordable. You get 650 ml of product for ₹500. So this is really nice. So the next product is a body lotion. Though it was summers, I was still like keeping my body hydrated. So this is the coconut milk and argan oil body lotion from Wow Skin Science. This is product which I only use, but during winters my sister and my mother were also using this. So this is also really nice product. Though I'm not going to get a backup of this because I have like better body lotions, but this is little thick. This is good for winters, not good for summers. So if you're very dry skin, you can definitely give this a try because it's really nice. Also it's very affordable. This is for $3.99. This for ₹3.99 for 300 ml of product. So you can give it a try. It's really nice. So the next product is again a shampoo, but this is not mine, this is my mother's. My mother used to use this. So this is the Mamaearth onion shampoo. My mom also has a conditioner, but the conditioner is not yet over, but this got over. But she did not like this product, neither I like this product, so I'm definitely not going to repurchase this. Definitely not. By the way, this costs for ₹349, and I don't know how much. 250 ml of product is here. So I know people love this product, I don't know why, but it did not suit my hair type, my mom's hair type, neither my sister's hair type. So never going to buy this product again. So the next product is a body care again. It's like a shower gel. So this is the Nivea shower gel. This is Nivea lemon and oil shower gel, and this my sister got it for herself, but obviously everyone used it, like me, my mom, my sister, everyone used it. So this is a really nice body shower gel, I should say. It has a really refreshing smell to it. It has a very lemonish, citrusy, refreshing smell, and this also had some beads which was like good for scrubbing as well, like really small beads. So I would really suggest you guys go ahead, get this. We will get a backup of this, but we have other shower gels to complete. So after those are like over, then we might get a backup of this. But yeah, definitely I will get a backup of this. By the way, this retails again. This is very affordable. This retails for only $199 for how much? 250 ml of product. So give it a try guys, this is really nice. Okay, so the next product is another hair care product. So this is going to fall. So this is the Wow onion hair oil. This is the onion black seed hair oil. So again, there is a lot of review on YouTube. I did watch the reviews and got this, but again this did not suit my hair type at all. I somehow got finished of this, Like I don't like the smell also, I don't like the product also, and I'm really not going to buy it again. And this, okay, all the MRP is gone, and this is for rupees 200 ml. The MRP is not here, it is like gone somewhere, like you can see it's vanished. So I would not really recommend you guys to buy this. Just skip this guys, skip this. I feel घर पे ही अनियन का मास्क बना लो ना, ये सब खरीदने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I'll just show you one of like hand care stuff. So this is, you can see how much I've used it, like सिक करके मिरर के मैंने इसको निकाल के यूज़ कर लिया है. This is the hand cream from Innisfree in the variant May, and this smells so beautiful guys. I used to use them during my college, like first year, second year time. Okay, so this literally gives me that that nostalgia feeling. So I really like this, and I might get a repurchase of this because the smell is beautiful and it also moisturizes my hands. So I might get a second one, but this is a little expensive, that is why I don't get it. It's somewhere around 400 or 500 I guess. It's not written here, but it was somewhere around like that, so it's a little expensive. Okay, now we are in now we are in skincare products. So the first item I'm going to share is this one. This is like my holy grail product for my pimple, for my acne. This actually used to reduce my acne like a hell lot, and I used it up like thoroughly. I just finished it up like anything. You can see it's like totally empty. मैंने पूरा scoop करके लगा लिया है. This has a minty smell to it, and it actually calms down my skin and gives a refreshing give a refreshed feeling. So I really like this, and I'll definitely repurchase it once my green tea face mask is over. So I will definitely repurchase this, and this is for rupees 599. And how much product? Okay, this for 100 grams and it retails for rupees 599. And this one is the Nykaa Clay Cool Anti-Acne Clay Mask. So it's really nice guys. Even I have like mentioned it a lot of time on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, then do follow me there. I will leave the ID over here, so you can just type it out and just go and follow me over there. So the next product is another face mask. So I really used a lot of face mask. I'm almost going to end more to face mask, which I'm right now like thoda sa it's left. So this is their Tony Moly Bubble Pore Clay Mask. Like this packaging is so sweet. I'm not going to throw the packaging, but the product is totally empty. Like you can see, it's totally empty. And this really helps to clean my face really well. My sister also used it, my mom also used it, so they also really like this product, and this is really nice. I'm not going to repurchase this because this is on a little expensive side. So I really like the Good Vibes charcoal face mask as well, so I really go up to that one because that is more affordable. This is really expensive, so I will not get a repurchase of this. But if you want to try, you can definitely try, especially the oily girls, you can definitely try this one. Our toners. So this one, first one is this is their Clinique anti-blemish solution. So this is for acne and like those who have acne problem and oily skin. So this is for them, also those who have sensitive skin. So this is a chemical toner I guess. So what you need to do is put a little bit on a cotton pad and press it on your face. And this is really expensive, so I'm not going to repurchase this. Like this retails for 2300. Like come on, एक toner के लिए I'm not going to spend 2300. But this is really good, really helpful, but not इतना कि मैं इतना like I will buy it for this much amount. So I will give a like no. If you want to try, you can definitely try, but due to the price and the word, it's like not valuable. So I would not recommend you guys to buy this. Okay, so the next toner is my favorite, and I already have a backup of this. This is the Plum Green Tea Toner. This is really nice guys. This is alcohol free, and this retails for this retails for rupees 390, and I'm sure you will get it for 300 on discount on Nykaa. And this has 200 ml of product. yeah, this has 200 ml of product, and I really love this. Best for oily skin, acne prone skin. Like, you're going to love this product, trust me. And I would highly recommend you guys to try this out, and next time you're going to thank me for suggesting this to you guys. Give it a try, guys. I love this toner. I'm always going to switch back to this toner, like whatever toner I use, but I again switch back to this one. I really love this. Okay, so the next so I just have 2 skincare products left. So this I just completed yesterday. So this is the MAC Caffeine Coffee Under Eye Cream. So this is how it looks like. This has a pump, and you just squeeze it till the up, and it is like over. So I have like a mixed feeling in this. Like, what it claims, like it will remove your dark circle, puffiness, it doesn't does that, but it definitely hydrates your under eye. So for that I really like this. It keeps my under eye hydrated, not making it oily. Like, I have seen other under eye creams make my under eye oily. Like, I don't know, it gives a like weird feeling, but this actually doesn't give that weird feeling. It absorbs and it makes my under eye healthy. But the thing is, it doesn't give like any, like reduces any puffiness or any dark circles. So if you want to give it a try, I wouldn't like recommend, but if you really want to try it, then you can give it a try. But I wouldn't recommend you guys to spend your money on this. So the next product is a sample product basically, which I got from Face Shop. This is the Chia Seed Hydrating Lotion. So this was the sample size that I got, and I loved this product. That's why I got the Chia Seed pink one. Like, it actually hydrates my skin. Before doing my makeup, before putting that Pond's gel, I did my skincare, and I really used the Chia Seed Hydrating Lotion, and it's really nice. So if you guys want to spend a little bit, go ahead, get this lotion, and you're going to love it. So guys, I really have only 3 products to show more. So these are all makeup. I have also emptied like 1 product, but my mom thrown it away, so I'll try to stick a picture over here when I'll be talking about that. So the next product is this one from Kara. This is their nail polish tissue remover, like pads. Those are in like the pads which are like filled with nail polish remover. So you get 30 of them in it, and it's totally empty. I've used it. So this is really handy, like if you're traveling or anything, you can get this. I literally got this for my traveling, but फिर तो lockdown हो गया. So I really use this up, and it's really nice. And this is also very like affordable, so you can give it a try if you want. So the next product is a lip care. This is the Lakme what is this? Lakme Lip Love lip care. So this is in the variant, I guess, strawberry. Yeah, this is in the variant strawberry. So I have totally emptied up, like I've scooped it from here and used it. This was really nice. Like, it actually hydrated my skin for a really long time. It also gives that pink tint. I'm not a huge fan of pink tint, but the hydration that this provides to my lips, it's like really nice. If you do not want to invest on that Laneige lip sleeping mask, you can definitely get these. They're really nice. So the last product which I'm going to talk about is a makeup product. So I did not really finish a lot of makeup product, obviously, because lockdown में कौन makeup कर रहा था. I was only doing makeup for videos. So this one is the product which I finished. This is the Fit Me Loose Powder, and you can see it's totally empty. So this was in the variant light medium, which was like a really lighter variant. But right now which I'm using is medium moen. Like this, a backup medium moen. This is like my exact skin color kind of, so that is like really matchable. But everyone knows, everyone loves this product, so I don't need to speak a lot about this product. So another product which I have finished, that was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'll insert a picture over here so you can have a look on the product. So I also completed that one. That's really nice, and that actually is full coverage. So if you want a full coverage product, you can definitely give it a try, but I'm not going to repurchase that. maybe कभी बाद में अगर कोई अच्छा खासा डिस्काउंट मिल जाए then I can repurchase it, but other than that I'm not going to repurchase it because that used to crease really bad, like my under eyes used to get creased, so I didn't really like that product. So guys, yeah, that was all about my empties video, and that's all the product that I've emptied. So guys, if you like my product, if you like my product if you like my video, then give a big thumbs up, and also comment down which is your favorite product or which one you have emptied in this lockdown, so that even I can like get into you guys. So that was all about the video, and also subscribe to my channel. I know many of you are viewing my videos but not subscribing to my channel, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it. Also don't forget to share with your friends and family. And yeah, that was all about this video. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.